Holy cow, guys. It is happening again. GameStop is absolutely going crazy. All right, this is the Informed Trader. You're back on the Informed Trader channel. All right, so I didn't even have any positions in GameStop before this all started going. And literally 10 minutes before market close, I'm just scrolling through my watch list and boom, I see GameStop just double the price it started at this morning. I was like, are you kidding me? And right when I went to go buy, they suspended. And I actually didn't have any liquidity to buy anything. I've got all my assets tied up in PLTR and CLVS. So I went and threw $100 into my Robinhood real quick. Instant deposit, baby. You gotta love it. And this is just, I can't explain how crazy this is going to be. We'll see what happens, guys. Just letting you know that GameStop is doing it again. Like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do daily stock analysis videos and things like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little update and, stay sharp out there. If you can get some, if you could get in some extended hours trading, just do it, man. Just buy a share. Be a part of the movement. Be a part of history. All right, guys. This is the Informed Trader. My name is Chris. Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.